Hi little yogis, ready to stretch your body? Let's move and feel amazing together.
Stand on one foot, place your other foot on your leg. Try to keep your balance. Step your foot forward and stretch your back leg like a sneaky lizard. Hands on the floor, body straight like a surfboard, hold it.
Breathe in, breathe out.
Kneel down, sit on your heels, hands on your knees, and roar like a lion. Lie on your tummy, push up and look at the sky like a snake.
Breathe deeply.
Lean forward and lift your feet. Try to keep your balance. Lie on your back. Lift your legs up to the sky like a candle. Try to keep your balance. Sit down. Push your hips up high and make your body straight like a bridge. Sit down, lift your legs up and balance like a little boat on the water. Try to keep your balance. Place both hands on the floor, stand on one leg, and kick the other leg up high toward the sky. Step your foot forward and stretch your back leg like a sneaky lizard.
Breathe in, breathe out.
Bend forward, reach your feet. Lie on your tummy. Place both hands on the floor, stand on one leg, and kick the other leg up high toward the sky. Feet wide apart, fold forward and place your hands on the ground.
Breathe deeply.
Amazing job, superstar. You did it. Give yourself a big high five. I'm so proud of you. Did you enjoy this practice? Smash that like button. Subscribe for more awesome yoga. Tell me your favorite pose in the comments. You're incredible. See you next time. Namaste.